Hello students, I hope you all are safe and fine at your home and enjoying with your parents and listening to them and obeying them. So this is your duty to obey them, to listen to them as they are always say for your well-being. So students, yesterday what we have done is we have read the chapter number 4 we were doing, that is your chapter number major landforms. We have studied about mountains, we have studied about plateaus, we have studied about plains as well, and deserts as well. So yesterday we have read the chapter after explanation part, and as I told you yesterday that today will be a quiz round so that things will be clear to you. So students, I am here with the quiz today. So as first of all I'll tell you about the rules and regulations which you have to follow for the quiz, and after that I'll ask some questions. So the first rule is, as you already know, that I will be counting 20 and you have to reply to me. And how you have to reply? You have to write down the answer in your rough notebook on the count of 20, and after that you have to match the answer with my answer. If your answer is correct, then give 1 mark in front of that answer, and if that answer is wrong, put crossover there so that you will get to know that your answer is incorrect. And at the end of the test or quiz, we can say, you have to total the marks, and again I will be waiting for your replies. You have to WhatsApp me that how many marks you get. So what I am hoping is you all will get good marks, because I trust in you, I believe on you that you all are studying. So this is what I can say only. I believe that you all are studying at homes and you will get good marks. Still, if any up and down is there, no need to be worry about it, and no, don't feel like let down. Prepare again and again. You can prepare again for that test, and with something next, within the next chapter or within another 2 chapters, again a quiz will be there. Then you, till the time you can prepare for that. So students, now I'm going to start the question. So keep your copy and pen with you. Yes. And shall I start now? So your first question is, what is another name for plateaus? So the question is, what is another name for plateau? Plateau का दूसरा नाम क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the correct answer is, the another name for plateau is table land. So this is your first answer, tableland. If it is correct, put tick over there and give you 1 mark, and if it is wrong, put cross over there. So second question is, what is the group of mountains called? Mountains के ग्रुप को क्या कहा जाता है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So mountains और of group को कहा जाता है chain और range. दोनों में से आपने कोई भी लिखा है तो इट इज करेक्ट. अगर आपने चेन या माउंटेन में से कुछ भी लिखा है तो इट इज करेक्ट. यू कैन गिव 1 marks to yourself, and if it is wrong, put cross over there. So students, now third question. What is the another name of plateau of Tibet? Plateau of Tibet का another name क्या है? So plateau of Tibet का another name है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So करेक्ट आंसर है प्लेट्यू ऑफ तिब्बत का अनदर नेम है रूफ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अगर आपका आंसर रूफ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है तो put tick over there, otherwise cross. And students, one more thing I want to tell you कि you have to do it honestly. अगर आप honestly करोगे तो you will get to know कि आपने कितना इस चैप्टर को रीड किया है. Now I am going to ask fourth question. What is another name of plains? Plains का another name क्या है? So time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So time up. And answer is plains का another name है lowlands. If you have written the same answer, just put tick over there and give 1 marks to yourself. And if it is wrong, put cross over there. And now question number 5. What is the place called where water is found in the desert? जहाँ पे desert में हमें पानी मिलता है उस place को हम क्या बोलते हैं? And your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Time up. And it is called as oasis. So, question number 6. A river passes through how many stages? एक river कितनी stages से pass करती है? And your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last 20. And your time stop. And river कितनी stages से निकलती है? 3 stages से होके निकलती है. And stages are the upper course, the middle course, and the lower course. No need to tell the name. Only 3 stages. If you have written 3 over there, your answer is correct. Now 6th question. Sorry, 7th question. What is the end of river called? River का जो end होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So river का जो end होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं mouth. So if this you have written this answer, put tick over there, give 1 marks to yourself, and if it is wrong, as you know, you have to cross it. Now the 8th question is name 2 types of desert. Desert के 2 types बताने हैं, and here is your time starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 2 types of desert are hot desert and cold desert. So if you have written the same answer, it is correct, otherwise it is wrong. How are plains formed? Plains कैसे बनते हैं? Only 1 word or 2 or 3 words answer is that. Plains कैसे बनते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So your time stops. So if you have written the answer deposits of river, it is correct. If you have written the answer with the sand and silt carried by river, then it is also correct, क्योंकि प्लेन्स बनते हैं जो रिवर के साथ मिट्टी आती है उससे। अगर आपने डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ रिवर लिखा है तब भी ठीक है, और अगर आपने लिखा है विद द सैंड एंड सिल्ट कैरिड बाय द रिवर देन इट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट। सो इफ द आंसर इज इन दोनों में से कुछ, देन 1 marks for yourself and otherwise cross। सो हाउ इज द क्लाइमेट ऑफ डेजर्ट? डेजर्ट का क्लाइमेट कैसा होता है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23, sorry, I have gone through 20, above more than 20 I have counted. Your time is over। सो डेजर्ट का क्लाइमेट होता है एरिड, यू कैन से एरिड और यू कैन से ड्राई और सेमी ड्राई, ड्राई और सेमी ड्राई, एरिड और सेमी एरिड, दोनों ही आंसर करेक्ट हैं। तो इनमें से अगर आपने कोई भी आंसर लिखा है तो दीज आर करेक्ट आंसर। Now students, this is a small quiz which I have conducted on chapter number 4, because we have completed the chapter, and this is I have asked from in between the chapter like one word answers, and so that even you can check yourself that whether it is clear to you or not. So students, if you have not done this, please read that chapter again so that you will be perfect in this, means everything will be clear to you, and if any problem is there you can ask me। जो भी प्रॉब्लम है यू कैन कॉल मी एंड आस्क मी। अगर कुछ भी इस चैप्टर में से कंफ्यूजन है, कुछ भी क्लियर है, एंड अगेन आई विल बी वेटिंग फॉर योर रिप्लाईज कि हाउ मच मार्क्स you are getting in this quiz, because it makes me happy when you reply to me and you tell me that this much marks you have got. Really, this makes me very happy when I see your replies. So I will be waiting for your replies after this quiz, that how many marks you are getting, and we will be meeting tomorrow with something new. Till the time, this is your quiz. Bye students, we will meet tomorrow.